Hello everybody. Today we will be learning about the laws of indices. Now, what we see here is a to the power of x. Now, what this is an expression. A is called base, whereas x is called index, exponent, or power. Now, the different laws of indices. Let's go through each of them. When there is a same base multiplied with different powers, then we keep the base as it is and sum the powers. So a and a, there is same base, but then the powers are different. We will just add it up. When we have a power, a to the power x power, and over that also we have another power, this whole bracket has another power, then we would multiply the powers. That means a to the power xy. When the expression is in divided form but base are same, then we subtract the powers. When we have a base with a negative power, then we will reciprocal them. When we reciprocal them, we just make the power positive. That means a to the power minus x would be 1 by a to the power x. When we have a product to the power of m, then this m power applies to each one of these inside product. So that would be a to the power m times b to the power m. This means that the m applies to both of these bases. When we have a fraction a by b to the power m, this also applies to both numerator and denominator. That means a to the power m divided by b to the power m. When we have a root of n and inside that there is a to the power m, that is expression. When we by rule, it says that should be a to the power m by n, so the root becomes the denominator now. And when there is same root and inside there are different bases, we can combine them. So these both have same root, which is n root, so that gets combined as root of n, a to the power x, b to the power y combined. Similarly, there is a special law of indices which says, that's a special rule, any number which is not 0, suppose let's say 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0, any number to the power of 0 would be 1. That is true for every numbers except 0. Also, when base to the power is 1, then that would be base itself. A to the power 1, b to the power 1, 2 to the power 1 would be 2. 2 to the power 1 would be 2, b to the power 1 would be b, a to the power 1 would be a itself, like that. Let's go through the examples. So this is the same base multiplied. What we do, we add the product of, we add the powers. So 2 plus 3, that would be a to the power 5. We have this a to the power 2 power, and then this whole content has a power of 5, then we multiply these two, so that would be a to the power 10. When we have same base in divided form, then we subtract the powers, so that would be a to the power squared. When we have negative power, then we reciprocate them, which means 1 by a to the power 2, but then we put the power as positive, so that is 1 by a squared. Now this whole expression has square, so we can apply this to each one of them, so that will be a squared b squared. We have a by b whole squared, so this is also in a bracket, so it applies to each component. A to the power squared and b to the power squared, where we separate out them. Here this. Now we have a cube root of a by 4. When we just break it with the laws of indices, that would be a to the power 4, and then in denominator it would be this 3. Similarly, with the square root of a to the power 4, and then that is, with the cube root of a to the power 4 times cube root of b squared, the cube is common in both, so we can combine them together. So these are the laws of indices. Thank you.